Good morning, Standard 2. So today we're going to label our Belize flag. And the instruction says, use this word bank to label the Belize flag. And we have all our words here that we're going to be using. So how do I label it? You use the paintbrush to draw your arrow to show me what you're labeling, right? So I'm going to put my arrow here. And then I could switch that from paintbrush to text to type in the word. So this is red, so I'm gonna put red there. So that's what you're gonna do. Use the paintbrush to draw the arrow to show me what you're labeling, and then you use the text to type in the word. And remember, you can change up the colors if you want. And also you can use this feature to move the picture around if you need more space over this side to label it. So go ahead, and when you're finished, press the envelope button and it will send it to me, and I will be able to check to see how you did. Bye.